Alright friends, after learning about borders, we now move on to the outline utility in Tailwind CSS. The outline class allows us to define a border-like effect around elements, most commonly used on buttons or input fields. By using outline, we can visually highlight elements without impacting their box model size. In the example, you can see outline 2 gives this. So outline solid is default version. So outline dash gives like that. And outline dot gives this. Outline double paint to outline. Okay, let's do that. I come here, I say button, and then I say sign up inside the button tags. I define class and then I use outline 2 for example. It gives outline width 2 pixels. Okay, I save it. So you see it gives outline. So we don't know margin yet, but I will add margin because I want to separate the element from the surrounding area. So that's why I come here. I say M5. Okay. So you see I separate the element. So let's modify outline style. I come here. I say outline dash, for example. Outline dash. I save it. So you see outline dash gives this. It's like visual border, and the concept of outline become especially useful in input elements. So let's define an input. I come here, input, for example, input. I save it. So this is my input. I can write a placeholder. I can say search. So as you see, this is my input. When I click inside the input, you see outline appears. In my project, I don't want this. So how can I hide it? I can hide these outlines by customizing outline none. But when I want to focus. Okay. That's why I say I define class and then I say when I focus, I don't want any outline. That's why I say outline none. Okay, let's check it. I refresh. I click into input, but I don't see any outline. Okay, great. In summary, Tailwind's outline utility gives you powerful control over the visual border effect without interfering with element sizing. Okay, see you in the next lesson.